Assalamu alaikum. This is Mufassal in front of you. Hope that all of you are doing great. Now I am sitting. This is an institute, and this institute name is English Big Stone Academy. Now I am going to describe about this institute. At first, my friend and the owner of this institute, and this name is Mr. Johnny. And in this institute they teach student for spoken English. If you want to speak English fluently, you just come and admitted in this school. And I already invite all of my friends and all of my relatives to admitted in this institute. And I just came here today, visited in this institute how many type of service they provide from their self. And I already saw that they teach student personally they teach student word by word, and they personally guide all of student, and they are teaching strategy like amazing. And I am just impressed to see this their teaching experience, and they all are experienced, they are expert to teach student. And also there are have IELTS student, IELTS teacher, and also Dhaka University student. They are doing their graduation continue in Dhaka University, from Dhaka University, Kumilla University, Chattogram University, some of big university. So they all are experienced teacher, and just you all are just came here and admitted your son, your daughter, your brother, your nephews, niece, and all of your relatives just came here. Inshallah, they will give you the best service. Okay, I don't want to make it more longer. Allah Hafiz.